Ano kaya ang magandang gawin mo? Aha! Alam ko na. Punta tayo sa Amerat ngayon. Saglit ka lang yun, isang oras lang yun. Pero bago tayo magpunta ng Amerat, daan tayo ng Istanboly. Bili tayo ng chicken tikka. Matagal ko lang gusto gawin yan. Let's go!
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
Ayun, so mga kapasyal, bago tayo umakyat ng Amerat, dadaan tayo dito sa may Istanboly. Yung bilihan ng mga pagkain. So, bibili tayo ng chicken tikka, yung laging binibili. Ayun, so pakita ko sa Istanboly. Small shawarma, and then one chicken tikka, big. Wow! Okay, so galing na tayo ng Istanboly, nakabili na tayo ng pizza. So, papunta tayo ng Amerat. Ito yun. Okay, yun. So mga kapasyalan, dito na tayo. Welcome to Amerat. Okay, so kainin na natin tong chicken tikka. Actually, kadalasan binibili nila to gabi na eh. Kasi nga, gabi yung pwestuhan nila doon. Pero, one thing na napansin ko, mas masarap siya pagka binili siya ng hapon. Kasi yung smoky finish niya, yung smoky taste niya nandun, buhay na buhay. Okay, so itong chicken tikka, it's grilled chicken na meron siyang french fries, meron siyang lettuce, garlic. Yan, oh. Wow. Tapos ang bigat niyang kainin. As in. One order. solve na yung lunch mo or dinner.
Yahoo!
Okay? Wow! Enjoy!
Yahoo!
Ayan o. Sarap o. Ayan yung chicken grilled. Ayan yung chicken grilled. Busog. Ang bigat nito. Kasi may chicken na tapos may french fries pa sa loob.
Wala na late, di ko na nakita yung liwanag nito.
Okay yun, so tapos na tayo, mabilis ang pasyal lang ito. Nagpunta na tayo ng Amerat, and then kumain tayo ng chicken tikka. Tinry natin habulin yung sunset, and then that's it. Dumating tayo ng 5:48, pauwi na tayo ng 7:09, so wala man 2 oras na pasyal. Okay, so hope you enjoy. So next time pasyal ulit tayo. Let's go!